Do you ever open your refrigerator, see plenty of food, and still think there's nothing to eat? If so, watch this. In ChatGPT, I type a simple prompt. I name the ingredients I have on hand, how many meal choices I want, and a time limit. In seconds, ChatGPT suggests 2 meal ideas. The first is a creamy chicken and broccoli rice skillet with easy directions. The second is cheesy chicken taco wraps with a side salad. That'll be even easier. I think that's the winner. What I like about this prompt is that it starts with what I already have. There's no searching for recipes, no shopping for missing ingredients. I get ideas based on what I have in my kitchen right now. If you'd like more practical prompts like this, look for my book on Amazon. Thanks for joining this episode.